Unlock the power of Cricket Wireless on your Samsung Galaxy A50 with this quick and easy setup guide. First, you'll need your Cricket Wireless SIM card, your Galaxy A50, and the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone if you can't find it. A small paperclip can also work. Locate the SIM tray on the side of your Galaxy A50. It's usually a small slot with a tiny hole next to it. Gently insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole right beside the SIM tray. You don't need to force it. A light press will do the trick. The SIM tray will pop out slightly. Carefully pull it the rest of the way out. Now, take your Cricket Wireless SIM card. Notice the notched corner on the SIM card. This notch will help you orient it correctly in the SIM tray. Place the SIM card into the tray, aligning the notched corner with the corresponding shape in the tray. Once the SIM card is securely in the tray, gently push the tray back into the phone until it clicks into place. Make sure it's flush with the side of the phone. Now, power on your Galaxy A50. Your phone will automatically detect the Cricket Wireless SIM card and begin the activation process. You'll likely see prompts on your screen guiding you through the activation. This might include agreeing to terms and conditions or confirming your service. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once activation is complete, you're ready to enjoy seamless Cricket wireless service on your Samsung Galaxy A50. Making calls, sending texts, and browsing the web have never been easier.